Hello everyone. You're watching my YouTube channel Chemistry by Saad Anwar, and this is my WhatsApp number. You can contact me for coaching lessons. And today the lesson number 13. In this lesson we'll talk about how to balance the chemical equation. In this lesson, I will focus upon the procedure, how to balance the chemical equation, how to balance the given chemical equation, or how to write the correct balanced chemical equation. You can see, guys, this is an equation in which sodium hydroxide is reacting with HCl and product is NaCl and water. This is not a balanced equation. I will balance equation in front of you, and I will try to teach the procedure, try to teach the easiest procedure by which you can balance any chemical equation. Like in this chemical equation, first of all, we have to figure out how many atoms, which type of atoms are there. Like here we have sodium atoms, like here we have oxygen atom, like here we have hydrogen atom, and we have chlorine atom. So these are the atoms. These are reactant side, and this is the product side. So I can see sodium is one here, sodium is one here, oxygen is one here, oxygen is one here, and just 1 second, let me draw a line here. These lines will help us to do things more better. Like this is, let me put few lines here. These lines will help us to do things better. Okay, all right, just 1 second. So now, so sodium is one here, sodium is one here at product side, oxygen is one here at reactant side, oxygen is one here at product side, hydrogen is one here at reactant side and one here again at reactant side, and two hydrogen here at product side, and chlorine is one here at reactant side and one here at product side. So we can see that sodium is balanced here, sodium is balanced here. Oxygen is balanced because at reactant side we have one oxygen and at product side we have one oxygen, so oxygen is again balanced. And when we talk about hydrogen, hydrogen is also balanced because at reactant side we have one hydrogen, we have two hydrogen, and at product side we have two hydrogen. Chlorine is also balanced. At reactant side we have one chlorine atom, and at product side we have one chlorine atom. So this is the way we checked whether this equation is balanced or not. Let me take another equation. Okay guys, now this is equation. Sodium hydroxide is reacting with sulfuric acid, H2SO4, and the product I am getting is sodium sulfate, Na2SO4, and water. This is not a balanced equation. The previous equation is balanced equation. Before I thought this was not balanced equation, but actually this is balanced equation. So let me write this, let me make this equation a balanced equation. Here we have again sodium, then we have hydrogen, then we have oxygen atom, then we have sulfur atoms. We have 4 atoms here. All right, now let me draw very lines here. Oh, good, very good. Okay, these lines will help us to things more better way. Okay, so guys, now you can see that sodium is one here, sodium is two here, means sodium is not balanced. Hydrogen is how many hydrogen? Two hydrogen from sulfuric acid and one hydrogen from here, three hydrogen, and here we have two hydrogen. Hydrogen is again not balanced. What about oxygen? Four oxygen from here and one oxygen from here. And what about oxygen? Four oxygen from here and one oxygen from here. Oxygen seems balanced here. What about sulfur? One sulfur atom from here and one sulfur atom from here. So sulfur is also balanced. So sodium is not balanced, hydrogen is not balanced. Let's try to make sodium atom balanced and hydrogen atom balanced first. So at reactant side we have one sodium atom less, while at product side we have two sodium atoms. So put it 2 here. When we multiply 2 here, what happened? Sodiums will become 2. Now sodium is okay, but things will change now. Now this hydrogen will become 2 here. This 2 is also considered with that hydrogen. Now oxygen will become again 2 here. So things are changed now. But sodium is balanced now. Okay, let's see hydrogen. We have 4 hydrogen at reactant side, but we have 2 hydrogen at product side. So multiply 2 here. Now hydrogen is balanced, but now oxygen is changed. We have 2 oxygen here. But oxygen is okay now because 4 plus 2 we have 6 oxygen. Similarly, 4 plus 2 we have 6 oxygen. Sulfur is balanced here, sulfur is balanced. Now sodium is balanced, hydrogen is balanced, oxygen is balanced. So this is the way. I think this is one of the easiest way to balance any chemical equation. Let me take another chemical equation. This is our next page, and this is calcium hydroxide. And when calcium hydroxide will react with nitric acid, HNO3, the product you will get is calcium nitrate, CaNO3 whole twice plus water. Okay, now guys, we have calcium atom here, we have hydrogen atom, we have oxygen atom, we have nitrogen atoms. All right, and let me draw lines here. So put one line, another line, and another line, and another line. So guys, calcium is 1 here, calcium is 1 here. When we talk about hydrogen, hydrogen is 1 here, hydrogen is 2 here, hydrogen, no hydrogen here, but we have 2 hydrogen here. Oxygen, we have 3 oxygen here, and we have 2 oxygen here. 3 2s are 6, we have 6 oxygen here, and we have 1 oxygen here. What about nitrogen? 1 nitrogen atom here, and two nitrogen atom here. So guys, it means oxygen and nitrogen are not balanced. Hydrogen is also not balanced, but calcium is okay. Calcium is balanced. Okay, let's try to make balanced hydrogen. Hydrogen is 2 plus 1 3 here. At product side we have 2 hydrogen, and at reactant side when we talk about oxygen we have 3 plus 2 5 oxygen. So guys, if I put 2, if I put 2 here, what happened? 3 2s are 6. Then guys, oxygen will become 6 now. Oxygen will become 6 now. 3 2s are 6. And hydrogen will become 2 here. Okay. And hydrogen is not balanced again. So when I will put a 2 here, 2 2s are 4. Hydrogen will become 4 and oxygen will become 2 when I put 2. Now oxygen is balanced. 2 plus 2, 8 oxygen. 8 oxygen. Similarly, 6 plus 2, 8 oxygen. This is just like a game and we have to use our brain. So hydrogen is 2 here. Hydrogen is okay. Calcium is already okay. Hydrogen is balanced. Oxygen is balanced. What about nitrogen? And when I put 2 here, nitrogen will become 2. So nitrogen is balanced, guys. So this is the way how we quickly balance the equation. Now let me take another equation as a homework. I'm going to give this equation as a homework. We have potassium hydroxide KOH and plus phosphoric acid H3PO4 K3 PO4 and water. This is homework. Now you try to balance this equation, and if you feel any difficulty in balancing the equation, don't hesitate to contact me. You can contact me. And thank you so much for watching this video. Do share with this video with your classmates, with your friends. Okay, goodbye.